Alrighty, guys, happy Wednesday. I took one trade today, cut around $450. Um, Put in around three contracts. My size wasn't big, wasn't looking for a big profits. I wanted to keep, if I did lose, my loss is small and my winner is big. So I think this is a perfect example of that. So yeah, let's just get into the video. We're gonna do a top-down analysis. So going into the bigger time frame, we had different biases here. So this is what I mean by reacting to the market and not trying to predict the market. Because I guarantee you some people put longs, got stopped out. So I had to sit and watch for a little. So a lot of people wanted us to potentially go to this 4-hour fair value gap. This is a 1 hour, this mini one's a 1 hour fair value gap, and this was a recent level of liquidity. Me personally, I did not want to see that because we're obviously bearish. I want to see bearish price action. I don't want to see this high get taken because this is a 100-point move, and then it's unrealistic to see another big move back to the downside. That would be completely unrealistic. If we manage to go up here, I would expect more bullish price action. I wouldn't want to see us kind of consolidate because that would be our move of the day. So we did create this 4-hour fair value gap right here that I saw overnight. With that, I would want to see us create this new 4-hour candle. I would want to see us get below it. Once we get below, I immediately knew we wanted to go bearish. We didn't want to go higher anymore. So zooming in a bit more to the 15-minute. This is the internal high people wanted to see get taken. The fair value gap people wanted to see. I'm just going to delete this fair value gap so it's just visually easier to see. Alright. This is the high I did want to see get taken for manipulation to the move to the downside. Yeah, I'll just keep it. That's the high I wanted to see get taken. So where are we in time? 2 minutes till market open. Big move. So right here, I thought we're for sure going to take out this external buy side, or technically internal buy side. We do that, and now market open, we end up instantly shooting down. But also, this was good too because we created a SMT at this. So this would technically be our change in the state because ES took that high. Change in the state versus 1 minute fair value gap right there. I'm going to delete this because we do create a breakaway gap right here, which I would want to see us get tapped into. That is a breaker block. Right there, we do create this breakaway gap. In this next candle, we do get a first presented fair value gap right here. Our first presented. For me to take a trade here, we have obviously on the bigger time frame, we are super deep into discount. This would be obviously not smart for me to take a trade here. This would just be getting the FOMO and just getting FOMO, not taking the right trade, taking a win possibly, but it's technically not my money that I got. So I just simply waited. If price instantly shot down, it's completely fine with me. Trying to simply build good habits and just gain my profitability and just be a better trader overall. So we do manage to shoot past. This is where I got a little iffy. I was like, maybe we want to see a tap into this breakaway gap because we did inverse this first presented, which is obviously a sign. We do tap into this breakaway gap. We had this big displacement to the downside. I was like, all right, if the market leaves without me, I'm not going to take a trade here. This is just too much volatility and to kind of just consolidating. So I'm waiting, seeing what price does. Look how price action's playing out. We shoot up, we shoot down, we shoot back up. Kind of this candle doesn't close under the first presented. So still kind of waiting here. have a big move to the downside. I was like, okay, this could possibly be the displacement move to see lower, this sell side level. But we end up, I'm pretty sure, shooting back up, looking into the 5 second. It's just really choppy price action right now. So I'm still waiting, not looking to force any trades. So we have this move, and I think it's right here, this candle. I placed my trade at this high. The reason I didn't put more, I usually trade 1 mini. Instead, I traded 3 micros. The reason for that is because we were consolidating, and I didn't know whether if we wanted to take this high. I put my stop at this recent high. I didn't know if we want to soup that and then see a move to the downside. But after having this big move, I instantly moved my stop at this wick high, targeting this internal low, our objective of the day. Also, our other objective of the day, if we manage to get lower, which I think we did end up doing, is this right here. Is this 50%? I think this is 50% of the daily candle. So we have this next candle, shoot back up, and then I think we shoot down at taking TP right here. Yeah, so this was the trade I took. Account balance is now 52,559. I will be taking a payout soon. There's no reason to hold on to it. Once I get this payout, I'm going to buy more funded accounts. I'm going to stack them. Try to just gain more capital, gain more clarity. I'm currently still gaining my conviction. My ego has not shot up. I'm trying to keep myself grounded. There'd be absolutely no reason for me to become an egotistical trader, thinking I'm the best. I'm trying to keep myself grounded. And so yeah, this was my trade. I caught around, what was this, 55 points today. Definitely not bad. This was honestly an A+ setup because I could have entered a pre-market trade right here. Would have been a little iffy. I could have entered right here. Or even at this, right when we tapped into this breakaway gap, I could have entered. Probably got better, just better price action. Stay out of this consolidation, honestly. So definitely happy about the risk management I did do today. There should be no reason I should be mad about that. So yeah, this was my trade, and hope everyone has a good rest of your day. Peace.